Hey everybody, it's Julia with Wig Review Central YouTube. I love it when a company listens to its customers. Simply Styling Light Silk Spray listened to us when we asked for an unscented version. They have come out with the unscented Light Silk Spray. It performs as fantastic as the original product. Let's talk about what Simply Stylin Light Silk Spray does. First off, I am wearing a human hair wig. This is by Super Hair Pieces. It's called Taylor, and I have it in the color Caramel Champagne. This is a gorgeous human hair style, approximately 18 inches long, Remy Chinese human hair. The reason I like this for my human hair wigs, it fills in the porous cuticles of individual hair strands. It just smooths, it gives it a luster, it brings it back to life. But let me show you what it can do for heat-friendly wigs that frizz and tangle. I have the Belle Tress Peerless 18-inch heat defiant or heat-friendly synthetic wig. I've had this wig for months. It's in the color Champagne with Apple Pie, which is a discontinued color. As you can see from wearing it, I've got some frizzing on the ends, and I also have all of this tangling at the nape or at the back of the wig. Let's apply the light silk spray. Just takes 2 or 3 squirts. This is a 4-ounce bottle. When you purchase it, it lasts a long time. Okay, 2 or 3 squirts. Take a wide tooth comb. Watch how fast. Watch how quickly. Not only does it detangle, it has moisture and luster restored. The frizzy, kind of crispy ends, look at them. They appear softer. Look at that. Completely detangled. This is why I love this product. If you look at my past videos, if you search my channel for Simply Styling Light Silk Spray, you will see that I have used this for years. Absolutely love it. This is a pure silicone spray. It will renew and restore your wigs, hair extensions, and alternative hair products. This product eliminates frizz. It is a heat protectant. You can apply it before you heat style to not only protect your heat defiant fibers or your human hair wigs, but it also helps in straightening. If you have human hair that's extremely curly or thick, this helps you avoid burning your hair when you use a blow dryer, flat iron, or hot comb. Of course, it's important to go by the brand or manufacturer guidelines on heat applications for your wig or hair extensions. If you are interested in purchasing the Simply Styling Light Silk Spray, I have left the link in the video description box under this video. Click the link, use my discount code JULIA, Julia, to get $5 off this product. This product comes in a 4-ounce bottle. It costs $20. So by using my discount code, you will save $5. I hope you love this product as much as I do, and I'm so excited that it comes in unscented. Well, thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.